Wow! You missed that one. Oh! Shelby, you're missing all your favorite ones. The glistening ones! Those are my favorite too! I have a lot of favorites. I like all fireworks.
How they do that.
Whoa!